Hey everyone, it's Tim and I'm here to give you a look at my latest project. Oh wait, what's that? Sounds like we have some breaking news coming in hot off the wire. CircuitPython 10.3.0 Alpha 3 was just released and it had support for USB audio. This project demonstrates the new USB microphone capability by using a CircuitPlayground Bluefruit as a USB Morse code key. With it, you can tap in Morse code live, or you can send pre-programmed messages with the Playground's two built-in buttons, like the breaking news message earlier in the video. You can find the guide for this project and more at learn.adafruit.com.